Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word often used to describe someone with a casual interest in the arts or a field of study: dilettante. It might look fancy, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is dilettante. Let's break it down. First, we have dill, which sounds like dill, as in dill pickles. Next is a short and relaxed sound like the A in sofa. Finally, we have tant, which rhymes with font. Now let's put it all together. Dilettante. Try repeating after me. Dilettante. Now a little faster. Dilettante. And at full speed. Dilettante. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Dilettante refers to someone who has a superficial or casual interest in a subject, especially the arts, without deep expertise. For example, a person who enjoys painting occasionally but doesn't study it seriously might be called a dilettante. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce dilettante and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.